Good morning. Welcome to the shop. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're working with the SCULPFUN C1 mini laser engraver. We're going to try to do some slate coasters with it. This is one I was testing on. As you can see here, the bottom half I burned at full power at 1800 millimeters a minute, and it wasn't getting detail. So I slowed it down to 900, ran it for a little while, and we're starting to get some decent detail out of it. So I slowed it down to 700, and that's the image we're working with here. We do a preview on it. You could see it. So we slowed it down to 700 millimeters per minute at 100% power. And it's going to take a little over 3 hours to do a coaster. And that's what you're going to have to expect if you're working with a low-powered, like a 3-watt, 5-watt laser engraver. To do some of these things, it's going to take a little bit longer. But you can get some excellent results with it. So when it's done, I'll show you what it looks like. And I'll post this up for you so you could use the file if you need it. Okay, as you can see, it took a while, but it turned out very well. It's finishing up now. The results will be right up here. So you can see the final results for it. Links for everything will be below. SCULPFUN mini laser engraver, beautiful piece, works great. Really happy with the results. So thanks for watching. Come back and see us for the next one.